Join us via Skype this morning. We have Todd Preston from D.A. Davidson, and we're getting all caught up on this week's market news. So let's start off with yesterday. It sounds like it had a pretty solid performance.
We did, yeah. It was a good day. The Dow finished up about 211, but it had been up over 400 at one point. So we gave back about half of it, but still pretty decent strong. The Nasdaq and the S&P were both up as well. The Nasdaq, interestingly, it was able to hold its gains and actually finished positive for the year. So it's gained back everything that it's lost. And we're basically break even now on the Nasdaq, which is pretty significant considering the sell-off that we saw. The S&P and the Nasdaq are still, or excuse me, the Dow and the S&P are still down in the low teens. So they've got a ways to go, but they've also climbed out of a pretty good hole. So like what we're seeing.
Yeah, hopefully they can catch up sometime soon. And I hear that there was finally some good news out of China. Tell us about it.
There was, yeah. So Thursday, they announced that their export activity actually was positive for the first time since December when this whole coronavirus kind of erupted there. So they were expecting about a 16% drop, and they actually were able to show a positive gain. So that was good. Plus, there's hope that the conversation between the Washington and China regarding the tariffs and the trade war are going to start up again. So that's positive. That showed up the market late yesterday. I think you're going to see it show up today. The futures are showing about a 300-point up on the open on that expectation. So hopefully we see that.
And to finish off here, it is Jobs Friday. Usually we'd be excited to hear numbers coming from Jobs Friday, but something tells me that's not the case now.
Yeah, we're probably not going to like what we saw. Non-farm payroll comes out any minute, expecting that we're going to see well over 30 million unemployed in total through all this. The unemployment rate is expected to be between 15 and 17%. Keep in mind that in December, we were at a 50-year low of 3.5% unemployment. So to go that dramatically, that's been a tremendous hit. One positive is oil. We reported like a couple weeks ago, oil actually went negative on the May contract. The July contract's actually right around $25 a barrel. So good move there. They were at 12 not too long ago. So good solid move there. As we see the country begin to open up, maybe see demand open up, revenues begin to flow again. So everything's kind of hinged on, can we open safely and successfully?
Well, Todd, thank you so much for joining us here this morning. We do appreciate it, and we look forward to seeing you back here on the computer a few weeks from now.
All right,
thank you.
me too. All right.
We'll be right back after this break.